Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a custom text in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, you need to change the mode from part design to draft. And now you need to select this one option, shape from text. Now you need to set the position where you want to set your text. For example, I click somewhere here, and here on the string settings I need to type the text that I want to use. For example, I type here simple, and then I need to select font that I want to use. So I click on this one icon with 3 dots. And now I select maybe Calibri, so I select here this one font, and I click open button. Now I need to click OK button to apply changes, and now text will be successfully added here. So here on the placement settings we can change position of this text. So I click on position settings, and I can increase or decrease these values. Everything depends on your preferences. Different values for axis. So for example, I will set position maybe to this one. Okay, it is set correctly, I think. And now if you would like to extrude this text, you need to change mode from draft to part. And here you need to select this one option, extrude. Then you can type here length along or against, everything depends on your preferences. So for example, I type here maybe 3 millimeters to a long value. And then I need to click apply button. And how you see text has been successfully created here. It looks really great, so if I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.